As woodworking continues to gain popularity, so does the demand for reliable saws that cater to both professionals and hobbyists. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a carpenter, or a weekend warrior, selecting the right saw is essential for precision, efficiency, and safety. This guide evaluates some of the best saws for cutting wood. List number: BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Connect Cordless Jigsaw, BDC JS20C. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Connect Cordless Jigsaw offers excellent portability and power for wood-cutting tasks. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of cords, allowing greater maneuverability on job sites or around the home. The tool features variable speed control and a tool-free blade change system, making it user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike. With a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent power to handle both light and moderate cutting tasks with ease. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while the durable build ensures longevity. This jigsaw is a List number: Circular Saw Blade Woodworking TA Series, 12 inches, 100 tooth, 1-inch arbor, ultimate polished finish wood cutting blade. Ideal for precision and smooth finishes. The TA Series 12-inch circular saw blade boasts 100 teeth designed to deliver clean and accurate cuts on wood. The 1-inch arbor ensures compatibility with most standard circular saws, making it a versatile blade for various woodworking projects. Its ultimate polished finish reduces friction and heat buildup, which prolongs blade life and improves cutting efficiency. This blade excels at fine woodworking tasks, trim work, and cabinetry where accuracy and surface finish are paramount. If you need a blade upgrade to enhance your circular saw's cutting performance, this TA List 3. Skill 6-amp Corded Jigsaw, JS314901. The Skill 6-amp Corded Jigsaw is a powerful and reliable tool that offers precise cutting capabilities at an affordable price point. The corded design guarantees constant power without worrying about battery life. It features a variable speed dial for easy adjustment, allowing users to match the speed to the material and task. The shoe bevels up to 45 degrees for angled cuts, adding versatility to your projects. Additionally, the tool has a quick-release blade change system and an integrated dust blower that keeps the cut line visible. For those who prioritize consistent power and accuracy, the Skill